Hey, what's good, y'all? It's Latrell. For a minute now, I actually had this thing right here. It's the cream color Galaxy Z Flip3, so if you watch my channel, this probably ain't new to you. But ever since I went to CES 2022 earlier this year, I saw a whole bunch of YouTubers and they were all dope, so shout out to them. No, I didn't see any of those big YouTubers, but I did see John Redner though, so he was cool. He was a little shorter than I expected though. No, I'm just playing, let me stop. Anyway, I saw all the colors of the Z Flip3 in person, even the bespoke versions, and man, I saw this green, I was like, yo, I gotta have that. I just got the cream color because everybody else got it, but now I want to go and check out the green, but I've been skeptical of it because it look a little dark, to be honest with y'all. Like, I don't know, maybe it might look black in some shades and I don't like black phones. But this green just, ooh man, I don't know what it is about it, but it just hits. So I think I want to go and sell my cream color one, and I want to go and check this thing out right here. I also bought a case from the Verizon store, you know what I'm saying? So I don't want to scratch it up, and I want to go ahead and keep that thing protected, obviously. That's the point of a case. But I'm not going to be getting in-depth into this phone unboxing. So I already did that in another video, which is this video. If you want to go and check that out, links down below or the annotation above. I think it's on this side. Maybe it's on this side. I think it's on this side. I hope it's on this side because that would be embarrassing if it ain't. Anyway, let's go and check out the green Z Flip3 here and compare it to the cream color Z Flip3, and I'll see which one I want in the end. Anyway, y'all know what we gotta do. Let's get into it. So you know how artists sometimes stop some music to let their fans recite their lyrics? Yeah, if I was big enough, I'd probably let y'all try that with my intro, but don't nobody know me. Don't nobody know my intro. With that being said, we're back here again at the legendary unboxing table, and man, it's been a minute since I've seen the green Galaxy Z Flip3, so I want to see again, like, is it really a good color? Is it really going to take me away from my cream Galaxy Z Flip3? Because it is a good color. Like, everybody and their baby mama already got this color though, so I really don't want it to blend in with everybody. And I just think that this green, not cream, green. I know they kind of sound familiar and I talk fast, but the green here is actually a really nice color from what I saw, and I want to go ahead and revisit that. But looking around the box real quick, you can see here that we got the Z logo here and the shiny colors here at the top, and at the bottom we got the actual cream color. Oh wow, green Latrell. Green here at the bottom with Galaxy Z Flip3 text 5G. On the left side we got Galaxy Z Flip3 5G in this dark green. On the right side we got the Samsung logo. On the back we just got some info here, like what's inside the box, which is basically just a phone these days. And that's about it. So all we gotta do is fold this up because we ain't doing this right. Now let's go ahead and try to do this with my broken finger, even though it ain't broken, but oh, come on Latrell. There we go, we still got it. We can still do it without my crushed index finger, so let's go ahead and cut these things real quick, just like that. And let's go and get the left side just like that. All right, cool. Now let's go ahead and open this box up. Here's our Z Flip3, and let's look at that green. Woo! Man, that looks better in person than I thought. That's what she said. Okay, so it's kind of bluish, I'm not gonna lie, but this looks slick. Look at that. That just looks so slick to me in my opinion. I don't like black phones and I don't really like dark phones that much, but this is cool. Turn it around for me, turn it around. Woo! Look at that. Ah, snap. I'm glad I got this. This is the slickest, cleanest Galaxy Z Flip3 that I've ever seen right there. So let's look at that compared to the cream color right here. They both look really good though, I'm not gonna lie. I want to keep both. I might end up winding up keeping both of these colors, to be honest with y'all. I'm not even playing right now. But this is side by side with the cream Galaxy Z Flip3. Let me know what y'all think. Which color would y'all get? But just taking a look here, as you can see, we have the glass here at the top, which is still black, just like the cream color Galaxy Z Flip3. It's the same exact thing. We got the top and the bottom. We got the rails here, as you can see, which is a little bit lighter color than the actual back glasses. You can see what it looks like here on the left side, which we actually have a SIM card remover. We have our millimeter wave antenna, I think. I'm not sure if this thing has millimeter wave though. I'll go ahead and correct myself when I'm editing this video, but that's basically for 5G right there. And over here on the right side, we can see that we got our volume rockers. We got our power button / fingerprint scanner, and at the bottom, we just got our speaker. We have our USB-C port, and then we have 2 microphones, I think. Not sure why my voice got so high like that. But anyway, you can see here on the front that we have our hole punch with a screen protector. We have an earpiece here which doubles as a speaker, so we have top and bottom stereo speakers on this thing for YouTube and all that. If we go ahead and fold this thing, we got the Samsung logo right there, and at the top of the phone, or the bottom of the phone, whatever you want to say, we got a wide angle camera, we got an ultra wide angle camera, we got a flash, and then we got our screen here. I know I'm late with this unboxing, and they're literally taking reservations right now for the Galaxy Z Flip 4, but better late than never. Anyway, I want to go and get up out of here. Just want to go and show y'all this, and just look at that slick animation right there when you set up this phone. Hopefully I enjoyed this. Again, let me know in the comments below which which color would y'all get? So far, I'm kind of leaning towards the green or the blue or whatever you want to call it. But this cream definitely got a lot of character to it. But I just like how clean this green, they call it, Galaxy Z Flip3 is. Besides that, we got the charger, user manual, all that good stuff in there. There's really nothing inside the box, so what's the point of me even looking? Anyway, thanks for watching. If you like this video, go and give this video a like. And if you really liked it, go and subscribe. But go and follow me on my social media at Tech on Instagram and Twitter and Facebook, but Instagram and Twitter is the most active. But one thing I did forget to do was go inside my Verizon bag and look at this case real quick. So we got the Evo tints here from Verizon. It cost me about 40 bucks. It's by Tech 21. We got all that good stuff right there, like the carbon tint finish. We got the multi-trap impact tested, 12 feet, you know, good stuff right there we don't really care about. So honestly, yeah, you can see it pretty much hides the green, which is kind of defeats the purpose, to be honest. But that's what it looks like all around here. So again, I don't want to get in depth into this. I just want to go ahead and show y'all what it looks like. That is my call to go ahead and stop this video. So anyway, thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one then.